Hi! Hello world! When you learn how to take care of yourself, you stop needing people for the wrong reasons. You realize how much other people are actually taking away from you instead of adding more good things in life. When you struggle with a scarcity mindset, you become more anxious and dependent on others and have to tolerate more negative behaviors from them in order to not feel alone and more afraid on your own. We all want meaningful connection, trust, safety, and enjoyable relationship. But in order to have that, we have to start with our relationship with ourselves first and be able to take care of our own needs and wants so that we can cultivate relationship based on fairness, respect, and trust instead of dependency and desperation. A person who has been single for a long time can be harder to love because they don't just let anyone in, but they do it. It means that you have earned a place in their heart. And they will be as loyal to you as they have been to themselves, and that is the kind of person who deserves to be loved. By Joel Clemons. Anna wishing on her story a Merry Christmas with love. Lovely and nice that you had a colorful Christmas time. Look on how happy Anna was. And her friend's story said that to with Ama was the best. As Ama plus I'm an explosive mixture. Love you all. Anna said, one of the best feelings when you finally say, I deserve better, and the universe starts conspiring to prove you are right. Remember this. Welcome back to your hometown, Simone, at Catania, Italy. A place that is always your home. Enjoy your time with your family. Simone wishing us all a Merry Christmas. Same with you, Simone. Simone loved the sound of the sea, and I love it too as it like a sound of a heartbeat. Oh, Simone is heading somewhere. That's so cool. It's family bonding for Simone. Can you guess, guys, where they are all going? It's so great. Wow, the place is really a perfect destination for a vacation. But for sure, how cold it was this time. Hope the whole family enjoy and take a relaxation. Oh yeah, cool. What can you say on the looks of Simone? Do you feel all his vibes? The spirit of the season's holiday is all over the place. I guess Simone, this is on your workout time. And my guess is right. Warm-up time for Simone for motor road trip. Hey, 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 hey! Look in here, guys. What is this kind of dish Simone gonna eat? The water is calm and peaceful. I can feel your happiness, Simone, when you are at your family. Just enjoy every minute of it. Michele didn't forget to greet us all as he said on his story, Merry Christmas to everyone. Same to you, Michele, as you enjoy and feel the season's greetings with your loved ones. Michele reposts a story of a fan page about his latest song, In My Head, as they are listening on it as music is their life. Have you all heard of it, guys? Shots from the movie Maserati of Michele that bring us back to the past era. Michele always remembered that every sunset it could always represent a fresh start. That is why when you look at the sky, it creates a beautiful color. There are best quotes that reflect the sunset coming from well-known writers like, "We always believe to the quote, every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn." And for me, this is the best quote that sunset is the proof that no matter what happens, every day can end beautifully. What can you say, guys, on the private studio of Michele? On this story of Michele, he captioned it with, "This statue was created by a French artist in the 18th century to rebel against the monarchy. It's one of the best purchases I have ever made." Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 362 of the 366 days of 2024. A message to all. You can't help but feel a special connection with someone who just gets you. Someone who sees you for who you are, accepts you, and wants to be closer to you. Most conflict and disagreements are the result of not being understood and not feeling judged. It takes tremendous courage to be vulnerable because we don't know how much we can really trust another person, but when you are living authentically and not behind the mask, what you realize is that it's not about how much you can trust someone else, but how much you can trust yourself. When you really know yourself, then you know what your strengths and limitations are. You know what you can handle and what is too much for you. The kind of person that you will easily open yourself up to is a person who has the same kind of courage and strength as you, because you know that this person has learned to trust themselves as well. Be brave being yourself and you will experience a deeper love for your life and the people in it. By Joel Clemons.